Have you noticed your teeth looking a little more yellow lately? Yellow teeth can really dull your smile, but there are lots of natural ways to whiten your teeth right from home. I'll be sharing my top 10 all-natural teeth whitening remedies that you can easily do yourself, from ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen, like baking soda and strawberries, to lesser-known tricks like activated charcoal and oil pulling. Hey everyone, it's Shireen from Remedies Insider, and welcome to our channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell notification so you don't miss out on our new and upcoming videos. These remedies not only whiten, but also help strengthen teeth and improve gum health. And the best part, no harsh chemicals, just the healing powers of Mother Nature. Before we get into the remedies, it helps to understand what causes yellow teeth in the first place. There are two main reasons our teeth lose their bright white color over time. First is the thinning of the enamel. Enamel is the hard outer layer of our teeth that helps protect them. As we age, enamel starts to wear down, revealing the yellowy inner layer of the tooth called dentin. Certain acidic foods and drinks can cause enamel to thin faster. The second cause of yellow teeth is stains. Coffee, tea, red wine, soda, tobacco, and certain foods like berries can embed deep stains onto the enamel over time. Luckily, there are many ways to slow down enamel thinning and prevent new stains from sticking. Let's get into the top 10 all-natural teeth whiteners and stain removers. Kicking it off at number 10 is strawberries. The malic acid found naturally in strawberries helps remove discoloration and surface stains on teeth. Simply mash up a ripe strawberry into a paste and brush your teeth with it for 2 minutes. The vitamin C in strawberries also helps strengthen enamel. Do this 1 or 2 times per week for gradual whitening. Coming in at number 9 is oil pulling. This is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing oil around your mouth to draw out toxins. Coconut oil is commonly used for its antibacterial and inflammation-fighting properties. Put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and pull it between your teeth for 10 to 20 minutes, then spit it out. The coconut oil will help dislodge stains. Do this a few times a week. The next natural teeth brightener at number 8 is baking soda. As a mild abrasive, baking soda can effectively buff away surface stains when used as a toothpaste. It also helps neutralize acids in the mouth that erode enamel. Mix 1 teaspoon baking soda with a pinch of salt and brush your teeth 2 or 3 times a week. Be gentle, as baking soda can be abrasive over time. Coming in at lucky number 7 is hydrogen peroxide. Known for its bleaching power, hydrogen peroxide helps lift deep-set stains for whiter teeth. Mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water. Swish this solution in your mouth for 5 minutes, then rinse. Use this 2 times per week for whitening, but skip this if you have sensitive teeth. Our next natural brightener at number 6 is lemon. Lemon contains citric acid, which helps remove plaque and surface stains. Lemon also stimulates saliva to help flush away bacteria. Rub the inside of a lemon wedge directly onto your teeth 2 to 3 times a week. Let sit for a few minutes, then rinse. Be careful with overuse, as citric acid can erode enamel. Rolling in at number 5 is apple cider vinegar. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar kills bacteria that cause stains while gently whitening. Mix 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar with 6 ounces of water. Swish this in your mouth for 30 seconds before brushing. Do this once daily, but dilute it well, as the acid can erode enamel if used too much. Next up at number 4 is activated charcoal. Known for its incredible absorptive properties, activated charcoal pulls stains off the surface of teeth. It's found in many natural toothpastes. Dip your wet toothbrush into powdered activated charcoal and brush gently for 2 minutes. Do this once a week. Be careful not to overuse charcoal, as it can be abrasive. Making the top 3 at number 3 is bananas. Rubbing banana peel directly onto teeth can help scrub away stains thanks to the enzymes within. Gently rub the inside of a ripe banana peel on your teeth for 2 minutes. Do this once a week for gradual brightening. Just be sure to rinse well after. Our runner-up natural teeth whitener at number 2 is turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has both anti-inflammatory and stain-removing properties. Mix half of a teaspoon of turmeric powder with water or coconut oil to form a paste. Brush your teeth with this paste twice a week and rinse thoroughly after. And finally, the number 1 natural teeth whitening remedy is toothpaste, sea salt, baking soda, and lemon juice. It's great to use these powerful remedies one by one. But why not combine them all and make one super remedy? With this specific combination, you'll be okay if you're careful because it has a safe enough balance of acidic and alkaline components. So here's what you should do. Mix 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, a pinch of sea salt, a bit of baking soda, and 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice in a bowl. Brush your teeth with this mixture for 4 to 5 minutes. You'll see the difference in just one use, but don't get too excited. That immediate result is due to the fact that this treatment is potent. You can use this method only once every 2 months. The effect will last quite a long time. So don't overdo it, as this natural combo could damage your enamel. So there you have it. The top 10 all-natural ways to whiten your teeth from home. Using these remedies consistently can gradually brighten your smile over time. Just be patient and don't overdo it with the acidic ingredients. Let me know in the comments below which remedies you're excited to try. Now, before you run off, I do have a special gift for you. If you haven't already, make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comment and head on over to our blog and pick up your free home remedy book with over 2,000 homemade and natural remedies in it. It's 100% free, and I know you will love it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video, as we're posting new natural health and nutrition content every week. And if you made it this far, thanks for watching and have a great day or night. Take care and God bless.